Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to turbocharge your Ford Ranger 2 3L engine. Adding a turbo can significantly boost your truck's horsepower and torque, transforming its performance. We'll cover the necessary parts, from the turbocharger itself to supporting modifications, ensuring you have a clear roadmap. Get ready to unlock serious power and an exhilarating driving experience from your Ranger. When turbocharging your Ranger 2 3L, selecting the right components is crucial. A complete turbo kit usually provides the turbocharger, exhaust manifold, and an intercooler to cool the air. You'll also need to upgrade your fuel system with a higher capacity fuel pump to deliver adequate fuel under boost. Don't forget a free-flowing exhaust system, ideally with 5-inch or larger piping, to maximize performance and efficiency. Installing a turbo requires careful attention to detail. Proper oil lines are critical for the turbo's longevity, ensuring it receives adequate lubrication. An efficient intercooler is also a must, as it cools the compressed air, leading to more power and preventing engine damage. After installation, custom engine tuning is absolutely essential. This optimizes your fuel delivery, ignition timing, and boost pressure, unlocking the full potential of your turbocharged 3L Ranger safely. Maintaining your turbocharged Ford Ranger 3L is key to its long-term performance. Frequent oil changes using a high-quality synthetic oil are crucial for the turbo's bearings. Always monitor your boost levels and engine temperatures to avoid overstressing components. Also, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals to help you stay organized and fueled up. Proper care ensures your boosted Ranger remains a reliable powerhouse for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.